Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and for those who are new, welcome. My name is Jovi and today we are doing an exciting video, guys. So your girl is going to get her eyelash extensions done. So guys, I'm gonna show you the before. So as you can see, guys, I barely have any lashes, so they are so short, and also they are very weak, like my lashes. So yeah, I haven't done eyelash extensions for few months now, guys, because I want to give my lashes rest, and also to also save, because I'm telling you now, guys, getting an eyelash extension is not it's not cheap at all. So yeah, so I decided to not do it for a few months, but then when I went to High Point Shopping Center last week, guys, I saw this sales lady at the face shop with a beautiful eyelashes, guys. So what I've done, I couldn't help myself to ask her where she got it done, and then yeah, so she told me the place, and also luckily it's not very far from where I live, so it's only 10 minutes drive. So I thought I'm gonna bite the bullet again, guys, and I'm gonna do eyelash extensions again. And yeah, because they're so beautiful, guys. Like, it looks so natural and it looks so fluffy, and you know what I mean. So that's where I'm going right now. And yeah, I thought I'm gonna take you with me, guys. I'll see you guys when I get there. Bye. So guys, I just parked the car, so I'm gonna show you again the before, guys. So that's the before. I'm so excited, guys. Come on in with me. Hi guys, I am home and I'm gonna show you the result of my eyelash extensions. So guys, how beautiful are they? Oh my god. So I had the hybrid, that's how she call it, guys. So it looks more like natural than just really thick long lashes. So I chose this one because it's very natural looking, as you can see. So see guys, like with the lash extensions, it actually makes your eyes pop. Like, if I were comparing to before, yeah, like my eyes looks like sleepy and tired, but with the lash extensions, they look very awake and just so beautiful. So overall, guys, I had a great experience with Jenny. I'm gonna put her info down in the description box below. So if you are in Melbourne and around West area, then yeah, you definitely have to check her out, because she's amazing with what she's doing, guys. As you can see, I'll let her work speak for herself. It's beautiful, guys, isn't it? Like, seriously. Yeah, I can't stop staring at them, guys. Like, I know you call me weird, but yeah, it's yeah, I'm loving them. And it's, yeah, she was so amazing, like a beautiful person, guys. I went in because she's doing it from home, so she's got everything set up in her garage, and it's beautiful, it's clean, all organized and everything. And then because I had Paris and Mimi with me, I didn't really want to wait for me outside, and she was so nice to actually let them in, and also lent Paris her daughter's toys. So Paris was there the whole time just playing with the toys, and just saying mama mama in the background. But yeah, she was so gentle, which I really loved the most, because yeah, when I opened my eyes after the the process. I didn't feel any sting at all. I felt like, she's done it properly, individually in my lashes. Yeah, so hi Jenny, if ever you're watching, I am looking forward to actually going back to you in a few weeks time. And yeah, so I'm gonna tell you guys why I decided to get like the lash extensions again, because now that I'm a mother, guys, it's very hard to actually find time to put makeup on and all that thing that you do with your face, foundation, mascaras and everything. So getting the eyelash extension, guys, just saves time, especially I work, like I leave home just before 8 in the morning, and I don't really want to get up by I know 5:30 just to get ready, right? Like, God, I'm breastfeeding my daughter during the night, guys, so 5 o'clock I'll still be really sleepy. So it's more on saving time, guys. So with having this eyelash extensions, guys, just give me the maybe what was the word, extra time sleeping, because I don't need to curl it, I don't need to put mascara on. Yeah, you just wake up like this, like wake up glamorous. And yeah, I asked her, guys, what kind of material lashes they are, and she said it's the most closest to the human hair, which I like the most, because it's very, very light, guys. Like, you can't even tell that it's there. It's very, very light. Like, when I opened my eyes, it wasn't really like heavy, like screaming, hey, you've got fake lashes. But yeah, this one just looks very natural, which I love the most. So yeah, guys, I thought I just come and share with you guys my experience. And yeah, I forgot to tell you how much it was. So the pricing for the hybrid, guys, was 75 Australian dollars, but at the moment she's running the $10 off until the end of July, I believe. So I only paid 63 Australian dollars, guys, which is not bad, because I paid way more than that before. I used to get my lashes done in the city, and I used to pay $99, or yeah, $99 every time. Actually, no, $109. I think the most expensive that I paid for eyelash extensions. So getting these beautiful eyelashes for $63, guys, I think it's really, really worth it. And yeah, it's just best for the person on the go, like got no time to put mascara on and all that. This is really perfect for you. So yeah, guys, I know that everything is not for everyone, guys. So if this works on me, it doesn't mean it will work on you, because some people, they have allergies, guys. And I heard some scary stories that they have allergies with glue, so they have like massive eyelid, and yeah, it just looks horrible. So yeah, just make sure, guys, that when you do it, you're not allergic to glue or all this lashes thingy. Yeah, guys, thank you very much, guys, for watching. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave me a comment, and I'll get back to you. I always read all the comments, because I don't have a lot of comments yet anyways, as I don't have a lot of followers, but that's the goal, right? That's eyes on the prize. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. As always, I'm very grateful for your time, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I would love you to be a part of this family. And yeah, don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. See you later. Bye.